Understanding, be out in the cold, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy for you. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English idiom, be out in the cold. Idioms are a vital part of English, adding color and depth to our conversations. So, if you've ever heard this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Be out in the cold is an idiom that describes a situation where someone is excluded or left out from a group or activity. It paints a picture of a person being outside in the cold, away from the warmth and comfort of the inside, which is a metaphor for exclusion and neglect. This phrase can be used in both personal and professional contexts to express feelings of isolation or being overlooked. The exact origins of be out in the cold are not clear, but it's believed to have been derived from the literal discomfort of being left outside in cold weather. Historically, being excluded from the warmth of a home or community gathering could have significant implications, emphasizing the severity of social or professional exclusion. This idiom captures that sense of isolation and the unpleasantness associated with it. To understand how to use this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. After the new CEO took over, several of the old staff felt they were out in the cold, as newer employees were favored. 2. When everyone else was invited to the meeting except for me, I really felt out in the cold. 3. Despite her talents, she was out in the cold in the selection process, which seemed unfair. These examples show how the idiom can express feelings of exclusion in various situations. There are other idioms with similar meanings that you might find useful. Left out in the cold, a variation of be out in the cold with the same meaning. On the outside looking in, describes a situation where someone feels excluded from a group or activity they wish to be part of. Left high and dry, although more often used to describe abandonment in a situation needing support, it similarly conveys a sense of isolation. Understanding these can enrich your English communication and help you express nuanced feelings of exclusion or neglect. That's a wrap on our exploration of the idiom, be out in the cold. We hope this video has warmed you up to the idea of using idioms to express complex emotions and situations in English. Remember, idioms can add flavor to your language and help you connect more deeply with native speakers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep learning and stay warm, not out in the cold.